You see that district also has industries, luxurious residences and hotels. And you see on the rock, on the little stone, there's a square, and you see on the stone, Principauté de Monaco, Principato di Monaco, and we enter the principality right now. Any moment you come to Monaco
now.
Sites, cranes, everywhere. In spite of that very expensive price of real estate, they keep building everywhere.
Yeah, well, that's what it was.
So you're going to have a port in front of you, which capacity was multiplied by 2 thanks to the pier where your ship is about 10 years ago. Left-hand side, Monte Carlo, which has all the gambling, and the gambling in Monaco is owned by the government for 75%.
If they keep reclaiming some of the bay there where the terminal is, fewer ships will be able to get in?
Somebody's asking me whether the ships will still be able to get in. In fact, you will have one more pier with the new island.
Okay.
So instead of one cruise ship inside the port, we can have 2 cruise ships, because it will be not really an island; it would be more like a peninsula. So, I hope you had a nice afternoon discovering the French Riviera with that beautiful weather. I wanted to thank your excellent driver who drove you smoothly in the narrow streets to Zeppe. I also wanted to ask you to make sure not to forget any of your personal belongings on board. So even if you were not so happy, my real name is Caroline, because Monique is a friend of mine, so it would be a pity. The weather forecast is very good for tonight and tomorrow in the area, so it's going to be nice. Where are you going next?
Florence.
Florence, perfect. Livorno. Very nice weather, so I wish you the real very best, and thank you all for your attention.
Oh my God.